Hey, welcome to the show. Today on the show, we're going to be telling you about this 33-foot LED rope light. It's perfect for indoor and outdoor. Stay tuned. Hey, welcome back to the show. Let's take a look inside here. This is a 33-foot LED rope light. It has about a 6-foot lead on it, so you can hook this up, and this hooks up to a USB outlet. All right, we just unboxed our 33-foot LED rope light right here, and you can see right now that this has many different colors. This right here is a tubing, and it's a flexible tubing, and inside is the wires with the LED lights. And like I said, this is for indoor or outdoor use, and you can see that it is pretty long. 33 feet is pretty long. And at the very end of the tube is this connection right here. Okay, so that's closed. Here is a switch right here, and you can click on that, and that will be able to change colors. So you can see here's a variety of different colors that you can use. On the remote control, you have an on and off switch. You can adjust the fade, the jump, the different speeds, and you can also set a timer for 6 hours or 12 hours. So that's pretty nice when you put it outside on one of your holiday decorations. Okay, right now I have my lights going around my whiteboard in my virtual classroom, and it's on the fade setting. So right now I'm going to hit a setting called jump. So you can see they're changing some colors here, going back and forth. Now I'm going to hit another setting. I like all the different colors. Here's another setting here. This really does have a lot of different options to it. This is cool. I like this setting right here. And once again on this, let's say you just want to go with a red color. So I can choose just red, or I can choose any color that is on here. There's so many different color options that you can choose from, and then it'll just stay that solid color. Just a wide variety of different things going on here. So, and your white light. Here's the controller right here, and I'm still learning. There are so many different options. I really like the idea of using this in my classroom and outlining my whiteboard. Maybe I'm celebrating holidays or a birthday, or we just want to exercise. It just adds so much flavor. And, if you want to use it at home, you can use it for the holidays there, maybe for Christmas or celebrating a birthday, or just, out on the patio. There are so many different options that you can use this light for. And it's so easy to work with, so flexible. You're only seeing a little bit of this because there's 30 feet. The other part is going on the floor there. So, and it's very easy to use. I'm definitely giving this product a 2 thumbs up. These LED lights are very well protected in this flexible tubing, and there are so many variety of colors that you can choose from with the remote control. Hey, I'm going to have a link down below where you can find this on Amazon, and like always, have a fun day. Adios! Bye-bye!